So friends, find out how I made this delicious bitter leaf soup, ofe onugbu, and guess what? It's gonna last me a week or two. So this is how I prepped it. One special thing about bitter leaf soup is that there are key things you need not skip, especially this ogiri. It takes the taste of your bitter leaf soup to 200. It's a local natural spice, so I'm adding all that oil because it's a big soup. And then I go on to add my dry fish. I cover and I allow that simmer a bit. The next is my blended cocoyam. I'm using blended cocoyam because I want that unique taste and consistency it will give to my soup. After putting in all those, I cover, allow it simmer, and now it's time for me to add my crayfish. I add my crayfish and allow that simmer, and now I'm gonna introduce my bitter leaf. Let me tell you a little story about this bitter leaf. I did pluck and wash this bitter leaf myself. There is this unique taste unwashed bitter leaf gives to your onugbu soup, so I prefer washing at home, and that is it. So I washed and then I introduced it into my bitter leaf soup. My goodness, this soup is looking yummy and delicious. So I allow that cool a bit, and then I get my containers. Remember, we're doing soup for a week or 2 weeks. Then I set my containers, and it is time to put all that soup into containers. I quickly arrange my soup into my freezer, and friends, this will take us up to 2 weeks or more than, depending on what we prep alongside. So I had to clean up the pots. Do you do this too? Do you do this to your pots? So I have some leftover bitter leaf, and this is what I did. I brought them all out and I put them, some in the Ziploc, some in the nylon, and I put them in the freezer because I'm gonna be using them in my next cooking. So friends, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.